Ni hao, chuggers, and everyone who has enjoyed the Thomas and Friends series. All right, I suppose I can do one more. Better yet, maybe I can save this for. Maybe I can do this until 2027. Tonight we're gonna draw Class 40 from Thomas and Friends. Class 40 has always been one of my favorite diesels since I first saw it back when I was 5 years old. At first, I thought his name was Schedule. It took me a long time to remember his name. His based on his based on what I saw, his name is on the side of him. He has a title D261. D261. It's short for. We prefer to call him Class 40 for short. Alexa, what is Class 40?
According to Fandom, Class 40, D4711 and D261, or simply Diesel, is a diesel who once came to the Northwestern Railway on loan from the other railway.
Here's his grill. There we are. Now we draw the D261 on his side. This guy hasn't been seen since, well, ever since his first appearance. Well, thanks to a series called Tales of the Rails, he came back and he made some new friends. I've always adored that episode, and I thank the creators for showing that. Alexa, play the Amazing World of Gumball theme.
The Amazing World of Gumball theme song by The Amazing World of Gumball and VGR on Amazon Music.
There we are. This song reminds me of the Museum of Natural History. Just like how I've adored Class 40's history. There we are. And almost done. And one more thing to draw up. And finished. That is how you draw a class 40. Or schedule. It's okay if I call him schedule? I did when I was a child. And finished. There he is. That's how you draw the Great Class 40. I've always wanted to see this one in person. And, well, if you guys have any wooden railway versions of him, I'd be happy to take it off your hands. Anyhow, that's how you draw Class 40. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe. And I'll be drawing more Thomas and Friends engines real soon. Stegosaurus, see you later. Farewell and good night.